Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Rada, and today's video we are going to update what's in my spring/summer bag with Oleada. If you're not familiar with Oleada, Oleada is a well-known company in timeless, sustainable modern bag, and I have to say that products are very well thought and functional, which I love. This is the mini anchor in color cloud. It's such a compact piece with beautiful designs. I love the unique shape of this bag so much. It's really nice. There are many ways you can wear and style this bag, and I'm gonna show you in a minute. But yeah, if you're interested in this bag or Oleada bag, feel free to check them out. I will put the link in down below, and you can use my code Rada Oleada to get some % off, which I think is such an amazing deal. So yeah, don't miss it out. And now let's get started. Before we get started, I want to show you the feature of this bag so you get to see how this bag looks. And here is the look in the front. Here is in the back. In the bottom. And on the side, one of those sides has the Oleada logo print. Little details in the front at the zipper. There are two different colors of the leather, and I think it's pretty cute. It's adorable. This anchor bag comes with two straps, which I'm gonna show you how to wear it. But yeah, I love in the bag there is a secret pocket right here. I think it is really convenient if you want to put something in or anything. Here is how it looks inside. There are two pockets, one zipper, which I think that is really cool. Nice, I love it. I've changed my essential a little bit, so I think it's a good time to show you guys what I usually carry with these days. So yeah, I'm gonna start off with my wallet. This is the YSL envelope wallet, and guys, I think you guys probably see this like 1,000 times already. It's compact, pretty handy, and it's carry a tons of my cards. As you can see, like a lot. I heard the price going up on this wallet, which is crazy. I got this for like $4.25 or something, which I think that is really good deal. So yeah, I love it. It is my favorite wallet of all time, and I'm gonna put it here. Next up is my 14 Pro Max, which I'm gonna put it here. And then I have this camera, DJI Pocket 2. I would probably not gonna put this in my bag because it takes too much space, but definitely I think it's able to put it inside. So I'm just gonna go with my camera, put it here. And then I have this sunscreen I've been using. This is the Biore UV Watery Gel SPF 50 plus PA++++. I've been using this since I went back home, and now I'm still using it and I love it. I think it's absorbed quick since it's water gel, so I just love it, and I'm gonna continue using it, but it's almost gone, so I need to find the one like this here in the state as well. Next, I have my favorite lipstick from Roman. This is the Dewy Water Tint in shade 12. And I just love the color so much. I even wearing right now. And yeah. And then I got this setting powder from Etude, my favorite Korean brand. It's like that. It's very small, that's why I love it. So here is how it looks so far. I have the sunscreen lipstick. This one I got it before I went back to Thailand because in Thailand it's super hot and I need sunscreen everywhere, so I need to buy it for my lip as well. So yeah, I have the travel size of Thai linen. I think this is such a good piece to have before you travel, and yeah. I have the brush on, my favorite brand from Korea, 3CE in shades Rose Beige. Just love that. Now I have the khaki. Last but not least, I have my inhaler. This is my all-time favorite things ever. Like, I like to sniff it every day. Like, gives me refreshing. Love it. I think we can make it. And the last thing, I have the hair clip. Gonna put it right there on the top. Now we're gonna close it. Ta-da! I just love how it fits every single thing of my essential here in this bag. I am obsessed. You see what's in my bag already. Now let's see ways to wear this bag. As I mentioned earlier, this Anchor bag comes with 2 straps, and I'm gonna show you ways to wear this bag. So the first way to wear is the top handle. I think this is an elegant way to go. I love wearing just like that. So you don't need any strap, but you can also wear it as the crossbody or shoulder bag, which I'm gonna show you how to do it. Basically, you will bring one strap here, and you're gonna attach the lobster crabs, and you will lock it on the other side like that. Ta-da! Now you create the crossbody bag or the shoulder bag, which I think this is really cute as well. Or you can wear it as a backpack, which I think this is a very cute as well. Whoever thought about it is very smart. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna attach the lobster crabs right here on the bottom, no, on the top, and you will see there are 2 hardware on the bottom of this bag, and you're just gonna attach it with the strap. Ta-da! I need to do on the other side as well. So here. And here we go. You got the Eco backpack. I think this is the cutest. You can even bring your bag up front like this or on your bag. I think these are so cute. Like that. I think that is about it in this video. I hope you enjoy it. If you're interested in this Eco bag, I highly recommend it. Overall, I think Oleada nailed it in terms of function, style, and it has such a perfect mid-range bag. So if you guys are interested in Oleada bag, I will put the link in down below so you guys can check them out. Feel free to use my code Rada Oleada to get some % off. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, find this video helpful, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!